Hi, welcome back to our channel. Happy Ugadi. Today I'll be showing you Ugadi Pachadi, how we make it in our home in Andhra style.
Dim dum da na da dim da na na dim dum da na da dim da na dim dum da na.
This Ugadi Pachadi we make using Shad Rasas, that is 6 tastes of food. So now I'm adding jaggery. This is for sweetness. This is fenugreek seeds powder for bitterness. Actually, you have to use neem leaf for the bitterness. Just powder it or just make it into pieces and add it. I'm adding some salt for the salty taste. Add about 1 tablespoon of tamarind concentrate for the tangy taste.
Dim dum da na da dim da na na o da ni da da.
Now I'm adding half cup of grated mango, that is raw mango. It enhances the taste of the Ugadi Pachadi. We should add it for the Ugadi Pachadi. I'm adding chopped green chilies for the spicy taste. These are the chopped nuts, that is walnut, raisins, cashew nuts and almonds. I have chopped it finely and I'm adding it to it.
Da ni da na di da na na o da ni da na di da na na da na da.
Adding dry nuts and raisins is optional, but if you add it, it really enhances the taste of the Ugadi Pachadi. Then mix everything very well and Ugadi Pachadi will be ready to serve. That's all about the Ugadi Pachadi. We'll meet in next video with the next recipe. Until then, take care. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.
Di na da di